Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best exercise bikes for seniors you can buy on Amazon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research, and lists them based on quality features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Exercise is an integral part of the exercise routine of an individual, and it also holds true for older adults. Indulging in physical activity preserves cardiovascular health and keeps diseases at bay. Intense activities at an older age, however, could lead to injuries. The best solution for preventing such mishaps when working out is a recumbent bike for seniors. For a fast workout, use a reclining bicycle at home, even on a busy day. The 11 best reclining exercise bikes for seniors have been compiled. To try them out, scroll down. I have prepared this video guide for the best exercise bikes for seniors to give you the ins and outs to help you make the right choice. So let's get started. 5. Geeky Recumbent Exercise Bike for Adults. With its advanced two-way external magnetic flywheel technology, the Geeky Recumbent Exercise Bike offers powerful strength, high inertia, and smooth riding experience. A dual-belt mechanism that generates just 20 decibels of sound drives the flywheel, making it a quieter alternative to traditional chain-type equipment. It uses 8 neodymium magnets of the highest quality, allowing uniform resistance, and making it easy for the consumer to adjust the strength. The large cushioned seat and backrest with a 9-position seat adjustment takes the pressure off your tailbone and spine and gives you the proper stride and effortless riding experience. It also features a video holder and LCD console that gives you real-time data of distance, calories, speed, time, and pulse. The hand pulse sensors monitor your fitness status, and the adjustable pedal straps prevent falling off. 4. Harrison Magnetic Recumbent Exercise Bike. A heavy-duty stainless steel frame has the Harrison Magnetic Recumbent Exercise Bike, which blends efficiency and design. For quick entry and exit from the bike, it features a step-through design along with built-in wheels for easy transport. The 14-level magnetic resistance helps you to build a personalized workout for a simple or challenging workout, changing the level of stress. A quiet exercise is provided by the US Mute Magnetic Control System. It also comes with a cranking device for a smooth torque that provides a consistent and fast pedaling motion. The customizable padded seat and backrest with high-density foam provide perfect support for the right posture. This exercise bike for seniors exemplifies a convenient indoor exercising experience with the 2-in-1 iPad and water bottle holder, and a multifunction LCD display. 3. Vive Recumbent Exercise Bike. In a low-impact aerobic workout, the Vive Recumbent Exercise Bike helps you while minimizing exhaustion in your shoulders and spine. To personalize your workouts on the easy-to-use LCD monitor, you can set and track the targeted heart rate, distance, and pace. A 1-minute recovery session to cool down is provided by the recovery mode button. To keep your aim in check, the handlebars are fitted with pulse rate sensors. The padded seat, ergonomically built, is adjustable, and the supportive backrest gives you lower spine support. This exercise bike offers 8-level magnetic resistance control with an easily adjustable magnetic tension knob that enables simulation of difficult terrains, ensuring a quiet and smooth motion. 2. Schwinn 230 Recumbent Bike. The Schwinn 230 Recumbent Bike helps you to monitor time, calories, and distance while offering you the ability to compare it with your previous workouts. It comes with 22 preset exercise routines, 2 user settings, target tracking, and a number of features for a seamless console. The ergonomic handlebars have pulse rate sensors and are well padded. A Luna supporting backrest is fitted with the ventilated and countered seat. The 20 resistance levels and the weighted flywheel of the high-speed, high-inertia perimeter ensure a smooth and relaxing workout. There are up to 13 display feedbacks tracked by the dual-track LCD window system. 1. Exeputic 1000 High-Capacity Recumbent Exercise Bike. Featuring a V-belt drive and a precision-balanced flywheel, the Executic 1000 high-capacity recumbent exercise bike allows for quiet activity. A steady pedaling motion is offered by the smooth torque cranking method. An LCE monitor that shows calories burned, time, distance, pace, and heart rate also comes with this exercise bike for seniors. It requires a hand pulse monitor that is an essential asset to remain within the prescribed range of heart rate at all times. The extended leg stabilizers and the large strap-on pedal guarantee a safe workout. For a wide variety of workout intensities, this exercise bike provides 8 magnetic resistance levels. So guys, this was the video about the best exercise bikes for seniors. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.